Hello YouTube, Dion from M.A.D with the unboxing of docking and clone station for M.2 by ICY. This is a portable enclosure for SATA M.2 drives that have some really neat features. That is for using this as an external case for M.2 drives and cloning them. So let's check the specification here on the back of our well beaten up by the post services box. Now let's check the product itself. We've already opened the box to ensure that it is intact, and okay, here we have the internal cardboard. You just have to open this up, and we have in here the cable. This is a USB 3.0 device. Now you can see the device itself, and let us check this closely after we manage to get all the other packaging material out of here. Here we have the USB 3 cable. This typical USB port with a micro B super speed, so this will ensure the file transfer. And let's check the device. Here we have a lot of options, but let's first open the box here and check the compartment where the M.2s are placed. This really feels sturdy and is really well built. Okay, here we have it. So here's the source port, and the other is a target M.2 drive port. So given the usage of this, you have the source and the target, making a total perfect clone of the original M.2 drive that you place on the first socket here. Now this is a little bit stiff, but I'm really impressed with the plastic. I mean, this total build of this box by ICY, it's really well made. The plastic parts are really great, and we also have on the rear side a metallic shell of the whole enclosure that is really nice, and that totally helps with the heat dissipation of the drives. And this is solid metal. We also have 4 rubberized feet to protect the surface that we place our device from scratches. Now to install our M.2s here, we have different sizes, and we have to place them in the port, and we just have to remove this adapter here and place it to the desired length so that we can install here different sizes of M.2 SSDs. But before connecting to the device the cable that was included, I have to propose you another option. This is a Q-Green Type-C USB cable with a micro B connecting end, so we can connect this device with a portable device or a Mac with a USB-C port. You can see, of course, we have to use the USB Type-B on the right side, so we can have an external M.2 dock for using M.2s as storage device, or even for cloning, with somewhat the maximum speed of the USB 3.1 with a modern port that is of a USB Type-C. Now the included cable is not bad. It's a typical USB that will give you also the maximum speed, but for other devices and PCs. Now on the rear end we can see here we have some options for using connected this device. First of all is the switch that toggles between PC connection or cloning the M.2 drive. I found this really nice feature. We also have a one press button for cloning, that's great, and a reset button. Now these are really hard to press in order to avoid any accidental press. We also have various LED indications about the disk usage or cloning our device. All this is really great. And once you have installed all the M.2s in here, you can close the lid. That is, I guess, my least favorite thing about this product, is that it has to be right there, connected straight forward to the rails in order to close it. It's not the most intuitive thing here, but I have to be precise, and here we have it. Now again, this is a really well built product. ICY used here really great plastic and metal, and the connection is as it's supposed to be. Now what might be an issue is that this connector is not the most versatile for using it as a portable device. As you can see here, it's not the best to plug it or unplug it, but Once the cable is correctly connected, you can just leave it as it is. And overall, I find this really useful as a product. So this was the unboxing of this really great product by ICY. Feel free to like, subscribe, and as always from Adextech, thank you for watching.